Hi everyone, welcome to my bathroom. There's a lot of different elements going on in here, but let's focus. All right, so if you're watching this on YouTube, then you haven't seen my hair. If you're watching this on Instagram, you're already quite familiar. Just to catch people who don't know up, I dyed my hair intending to get like a kind of deep emerald green color. I didn't really get it. It was a more teal. It's faded to lovely colors, but my entire goal was to get it the color closer to what I was hoping to have in the first place. So I'm going in for round 2, but I'm recording it this time. So this is what I'm gonna try to do to achieve the color I want. This time we're going for Iroiro and emerald green. I'm actually gonna mix it with the Iroiro in forest green. That's gonna give it that kind of deeper green that I'm looking for. So let's get started with the color. Forest green is super dark still, but that emerald green is basically teal in this color. So I'm hoping, we're just gonna hope, really. I'm gonna mix the shit out of this. Okay, I've got it all mixed up. It's still gonna look blue to you, but I promise you it's green. Maybe if I color correct the video, it'll look different. But also I'm not very picky about my hair. I'm picky about how it's styled, but I've never been very picky about the color of it. If things don't turn out exactly how I imagined, I just set my expectations low, because we've all been disappointed by a hair color or cut before. I always set my expectations low, and I just open myself up to the possibilities. I know that this is gonna achieve me close to what I want, and if it's not perfect, it's not perfect. I can always do more. I'm actually gonna go through and do my roots, so my roots get the utmost amount of color in them. I'm gonna drag it pretty far down, but I wanna just make sure my roots are deep. You know, cautious people, they would probably put some lotion or Vaseline around their head. I actually just keep my makeup wipes handy. The Billy makeup wipes are pretty great, and they actually remove dye on my skin, but I'm quite careful putting it on. I say that now, you guys are gonna think it looks like a mess. Here we go. I did start putting the color on the rest of my hair. I really like what it looks like on right now. Definitely looks closer to what I was hoping for the first time around. So saturating the shit out of this, and then I will let it sit. At this point, I've got it all saturated really well. I'm gonna wrap this up. Go ahead and put this guy on. I'm gonna clean up my hairline a little bit, and we're gonna let it sit for an hour. I'm gonna wash it with cold water, blow dry it, and then show you guys the results. Also, if you're thinking of dyeing your hair a non-natural color, even a deep red, something like that, I have a non-pro tip for you. Non-white pillowcases. I just got these from IKEA, super inexpensive, and when my hair bleeds, it's not going to stain my white pillowcase. Made that mistake already, had to throw a couple pillowcases out. It's fine, you live and learn. And here is the final result. This is actually what I was trying to achieve. Round 1 is something that has a little bit of a deeper green in it, but still has that emeraldy hue, which is kind of a little blue. I will say that Iroiro, this is the first time I've done full color with it. I like it a lot. It makes my hair feel really nice too. To give you guys an idea, the first time I dyed my hair, it looked like this, which was totally fine, but I definitely had more blues than I thought I would. This time around, since I got a more green color, that forest green, it attached to my roots, which had a little bit more yellow, really well. I think this looks beautiful. This is the color I was going for. I'm extremely happy with this. I think it will fade nicely into like maybe a mint color, which is like another one of my favorite colors. If you guys have any questions about the products I used or about my hair in general, let me know, comment or DM. I am more than happy to talk about it. Another reminder that I am not a professional. I have dyed my hair many times. I have had advice from people who were licensed professionals. Getting your hair this color is not something you should do on your own in a day. It's like impossible, and if you do it, there's something wrong. I did go to professional to initially lighten my hair. I did bleach my roots on my own though, because that's something I'm familiar with and comfortable with. If you're picky about your hair, don't do your hair on your own. Pay someone to do it. Thank you guys for watching this. I hope you found it somewhat interesting, and I'll speak to you very soon.